Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Coachmen Apex 193 BHS. It's a great little starter unit for the young family, small family. It's not too big, not too small. Only weighs 3,500 pounds, so any little small, a minivan can almost tow this thing. Any little small SUV could tow this, and it's still a decent sized trailer to go camping in. Let's go around and take a look inside and see what we got. Now it does have a nice, good sized queen bed, a lot of storage up above, big storage up here. This is a big deep storage. Nice little dinette, more storage underneath here. For a small trailer it's got a lot of storage, and that's what you want. Underneath the sink, plenty of storage. Double sink, 2-burner stovetop, a little microwave in here, nice refrigerator, freezer and refrigerator. 2 little bunks back here. They're kind of hidden back here. I'll let Jim get in here and take a look at those. 2 nice size bunks for the kiddos. So if you had a small family of 4, could actually sleep in here pretty comfortable with the bunks. Inside here we've got the nice bathroom, medicine cabinet, nice countertop, decent sized shower, and some more storage in there. For a small bathroom, there's plenty of storage. What's nice, this does have a big power full-size awning, LED lights, marine speakers. Let's check out the storage compartment in here. It's got a nice pass-through storage, magnetic holds. Look at that. That is a ton of space. You can fit all kinds of gear in there for a first-time camper. So this is a beautiful model by Coachmen, guys. If you want to see this model or have any other questions about another unit we have at Guaranty, please feel free to give me a call, Big Sal, 951-443-8323. Thanks.